Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Buzzy B. I'm a filmmaker slash videographer, very passionate about it. I've been contemplating to do these kind of tutorials for quite some time, and I finally decided to do it. I think most importantly the channel will be more about learning from each other and not necessarily you only learning from me. I just have to say it, guys, I'm in no way an expert. I'm still learning, and I hope you guys can learn from what I teach you guys. And I mean, by all means, please invite me to subscribe to your channels if you feel that there's something I can learn from you guys, or comment in the comment section below if there's anything that you guys would like to share with me and to whoever is viewing this video. So mainly on this channel, what can you guys expect? I think more importantly, it'll be like tutorials on video production, editing, effects, or whatever the case may be. As you'll see, most of my videos is all about music videos and events. So those are the kind of videos that you can expect on this channel. And also some product reviews, camera related stuff, video related stuff, anything that you guys might find useful in your everyday production. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time. We're gonna get right into it. Couple of weeks back, actually, someone approached me and asked me how to do the crop bar effect on your videos to make it look more cinematic. So first things first, I think it's very important that you try and shoot your videos in a higher resolution. So if you're going to be working in a 1920 by 1080 timeline, it's advisable that you maybe shoot in a 4K UHD or 4K DCI resolution. Well, most of my videos or my content I shoot in 4K DCI, and then obviously with my drone shots I would do maybe 4K UHD. Yeah. So what I want to show you guys is I've selected a clip already. This is a drone shot that I've selected. It's a very short clip, nothing special. This was taken from a music video that I shot at the beginning of the year. So yeah, I've decided to use this clip as part of the tutorial. So obviously, like I said, this was shot in 4K UHD, and I've decided to put it in a 1080 timeline. So obviously, if you want to change your sequence settings, you just go to sequence, and then you can select sequence settings, and there you can change your settings to whatever you prefer. So in this case, like I said, 1920 by 1080. Alright, so that has already been set or selected. So then what you do is, guys, go to your project, right over here. Go to your project. I'm gonna click on that, and then you see this new item. Sometimes you might find that it's a bit hidden. You just expand this window a little bit, and you click on your new item. You'll find a drop menu, and then you select adjustment layer, and then this adjustment layer will then be the same settings as your sequence settings, 1920 by 1080, and it's in a 25 frame per second frame rate. Alright, so I'm gonna press OK. Just gonna move this out of the way a little bit, and what you do is you drop this on top of your video footage. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that and then drag it out so it completely covers the whole video. Alright, there we go. So as you can see, if I scroll, absolutely nothing has happened, right? Because we still need to select the effect. Alright, so I'm gonna go over here, click that, go to my effects, and yeah, okay, I've already selected crop, but what you can do is you can just, if you don't know where to find it, you'll see it's under transform, but if you don't know where to find it, you can just type in crop and then it'll automatically take you to the effect. So then drag that effect onto your adjustment layer, and once again you'll see nothing has happened. It still remains the same, and that's because obviously you need to make a few adjustments to the effect itself. So if you go to your effect controls over here, you select your effect controls. If it's not selected, just click on it and you scroll down. Let me just put this on normal again, sorry about that. Scroll down until you find the crop effect. Alright, so obviously for the crop bars, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, take some footage away from the top and the bottom part of the video. So I would say around 12% should do the job. So you can just click on that and put in 12% over there and watch what happened to our video. As you can see, there's a black bar, so some of the footage was taken or cut away basically. And then obviously you do the exact same to your bottom part, so you just put in 12% there again, hit enter, and then it did the exact same thing as it did with the top end. Alright, but now you'll notice, I'm just gonna drag this out a little bit so you can see better. Notice that one of the talent in the video, his face or head is basically cut off, so you don't want that in your video. Hence I was saying, if you shoot in a higher resolution, now you can play around and reframe stuff, reposition stuff to your liking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check for parts where his head is basically out of the frame, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna select the video itself. So I'll select the video itself, and I go to my effect controls, and I will reposition him to be more in frame. So what you'll see is if I move this upwards, you'll also see that the whole video starts to shift. Right, so I would say maybe around about 640 should do the job. So I'm just gonna scroll through the video just to double check that everything is in place. Yeah, that looks about alright to me. Maybe I can just, on my scale, maybe I'll just put it on 50. Yeah. So make sure, you guys, that if you do your scaling, look what happens if I drop it too much. You see, it does not cover the whole section of your frame. So make sure that it does in fact cover the whole frame. So I think 50 should do the job. Let's just scroll through it and see. Yeah, that looks okay to me. Yeah, I think that will do the job. So yeah, guys, that's basically in a nutshell how you do your crop effect. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you want more videos like this, guys, please just comment down below. Just let me know what topic you would like me to cover next. And if there's any advice that you guys want to give me or whoever is viewing this video, please comment down below, guys. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to do this on a weekly basis. This is my first video, So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you very much. My first video, so I'm really pushing to do this on a weekly basis. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next week. I don't know what I'm going to focus on next week. Hopefully you guys can guide me in the comments below. And if there's any advice, guys, please feel free to let me know. Like I said, I am no expert. I'm learning as you are learning. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys next week. I'm out.